Hey Tubes, we got the drift cart out. It's getting a little late, but we got the cart out tonight. And Exploder pilot, my buddy Anthony, he's taking it for a ride. I think he's figured out that you hit the brake and it really goes. See, we got the dew right now, so the grass is a little damp and it'll just slide right across it. I'm gonna put the quad on 2 wheels there, buddy. He's really moving there.
Now that go-kart's gonna be ridden with a motor.
I know. No hands. What's that? TP. We got our TP set up. That's got our pallets left over from a previous bonfire. What's that? What's his name? Eeyore.
Huh?
Yee-Haw.
Oh, I don't know. Today's gonna be a bad day.
Alright. It's getting a little dark here, so I think we're going to shut her down, but I'll show you what we're doing with the drift car. I'll tell you, you might as well not even put a motor on that thing. Somebody commented, somebody said that. Why bother with a motor? I think they're right. This thing's too much fun. Alright. See you later, Tubes. What you got there?
A lot of grass.
Ay, ay, ay.
Redneck lawnmower.
Oh, yeah.
It might just tip because I'm so light.
You got a point. We can put Carter on it. That'll happen.
2-seater.
You couldn't move the quad, bro.
We got a bad idea here.
Hey, y'all, watch this.
Dude, I can't even do anything with my boots. What do I do with my boots? Oh, my bag.
It's alright, we're only going to go slow.
Ah.
It's just an experiment.
Good.
Get some tension on it.
Get it going, Cletus.
Your dad's like, no.
Getting a little dark here, you can only see when we're close in.
Go, let's hurt him. Go.
Poor Dylan. This isn't even our go-kart. He's not gonna be happy when he sees this. Oh well. Enough of this, dudes. Thanks for watching.
All I see is brake lights, and I didn't know which one was the brake.
Dude, it's because